Okay, so I'm gonna do the. I think we're gonna do most of this together. We're gonna do all the front together and half the back. Okay, so the very front it says the number of times a ball bounces. Okay, so I just want you to think. Okay, how many times can I bounce a ball? Okay, I gotta bounce it once, twice, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So what kind of number is that? Look at your little sheet. If you can do it 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? Natural. Okay. Can we bounce a ball 0 times? No, and we can't do it a fraction. And so the best described number is going to be a natural number. Okay, you can bounce it all positive amount, whole amount of times. Okay, what about the year? What year is it right now? 2021. So what kind of number is that? What kind of numbers are in 2021? So we know there's no decimals or fractions, so it's not rational. Okay? You said whole? Why do you think it's a whole? Yeah, it's got 0 and then all these are positive. This one's going to be a whole number. Okay, the selling price of a house. What are prices? No, which kind of number are prices? Rational, integer? Yeah, rational, okay? Prices are always rational. The amount you owe someone. If you owe someone money, you're in the negatives, right? If you owe me $5, you're in the negative. So what kind of number is that? What is a negative? It's an integer. Did I spell that right? One of those. A measuring cup value. Okay, a measuring cup is a fraction. What kind of number is a fraction?
Rational.
It's rational. A price of a bag of chips. What are prices? What kind of numbers are prices? Money.
Rational.
Rational. The last 4 digits of your phone number. Okay, think about what's your phone number. Okay, that one's mine. What's yours? What's the last 4 of your phone number? You don't know your own phone number? Yes, it is. You just don't want to tell me. 0042. Okay, so what kind of numbers are those? Is that going to be a rational? Why do you think it's a whole?
Yeah, 0.
Yeah, it's got zeros. Your phone number can have zeros in it, so it's a whole number. Do you think I'm going to call you? Anybody going to call you?
No, I just forgot it.
Your birthday. What's your birthday?
August 19th.
Really?
Yeah. Shut up.
August. So that's 8/19 of what year?
2005.
2005. So what kind of numbers are those?
Rational.
No. Are they decimals? No. Why is it a whole number? It's got zeros in it, right? So 2005 has got positives and zeros. So this one's just going to be a whole number. Is that the all on the front? Yeah. Okay, flip it to the back page. Okay, the back page is about comparing real numbers. Okay, so just to be aware, oh, actually, these ones are graphing. Oh, so this won't be too bad. You don't even need a calculator. I guess, yeah, you might. Okay, so graphing on a number line. So, when you graph in algebra, there's a certain way to graph. Okay, so all your graphs should look like this. Should have a line with 1, 2, 3 tick marks.
Who got that?
What? What does yours look like? Comparing, ain't it? That's what I thought. Oh, I skipped a page on the copier. Look, you guys lucked out. See it? So I need to tell her I'm famous. Next page. Just kidding. So if you're watching the video, don't do problems 9 through 14. Okay, you can skip them. Put a big X on there though, otherwise I'll forget. Okay, comparing numbers. So remember the alligator mouth, whichever way the mouth is facing, okay, that he eats the bigger number. So if it's facing, I did this one backwards. Okay, if it's facing that way, he's gonna eat that bigger number on that side or that bigger number on that side. Okay, so 16 or square root of 16. So 16 is just 16. Okay, what is the square root of 16? Okay, so take your calculator, turn it on, and then you're looking for this button. It's in the second row down and it looks like this. Okay, it looks like that. You're gonna push that and then you type in 16 and hit enter. What'd you get? 4. Okay, if you didn't get 4, then I need to know now. So a square root of 16 is 4. So what is bigger, 16 or 4? 16. Okay, so we're just going to go like that. Okay, I got negative 4 and negative square root of 4. So negative 4, nothing's going to change. But this one, that means we have to type it on the calculator because it's got that square root symbol. So type in the negative, hit that square root button, and then type in 4. And what did you get? Negative 2. What is bigger, negative 4 or negative 2? Negative 2 is bigger, okay? Lots of people say negative 4, which is common, that's okay. 17, square root of 5 and square root of 7. What is bigger? What'd you get for square root of 5?
It's 5.
What did it say?
5.
Never
I
does
think
it.
I messed it up.
Let me see, because some of your guys' calculators are gonna look weird. So if it says this, square root of 5 still, you're gonna push that SD button. What's yours say? So push SD. That means standard to decimal. So you could say like 2.26. Did yours say square root of 5 still? You got that? Then you got it.
What are you looking at?
So you can put the decimal down for, so like 2.6 for 7. So what is square root of 5? What's the decimal? 2 point what?
2.3.
2.3. And square root of 7? 2.2.
Yeah.
What about a square root of 7? What number is that? I think it said 2.6. Okay. 2.6. So what's bigger?
2.6.
2.6. Okay, 4 or square root of 12. So 4 is still going to be 4. And square root of 12 is what?
So,
2.3? Okay, so what's bigger?
4.
The 4 is. Okay, the rest of these ones you're going to do on your own. Make sure your name's on your paper and then put them in the box for me.